Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Andi Mawaddah, and right now I'm going to tell you about the vowel sound in English. So, William Sound categorized the vowel sound in English into two types. First, the simple vowel sound that's known as diphthongs, and the complex vowel sound that's known as monophthongs. First, the simple vowel sound. So the simple vowel sound made when the speakers made this vowel sound, the speech organ is not moving or in unchanging position. On the other hand, complex vowel sound made by combining two vowel in one syllable. So usually the speech organ usually change. Namely, first she need to make the simple sound at the beginning and combine it with another simple sound at the end. So the speaker speech organ usually change. Next, the simple vowel sound can be categorized into three types. This categorized made by taking into the account the tongue elevation, namely the front vowel, mid-central vowel, and back vowel. So front vowel are produced by pushing the tongue forward and up into the hard palate, and the lip shapes when making this sound is unrounded. There are some types of front vowel, namely the high front unrounded vowel, mid-high front unrounded vowel, and mid-low front unrounded vowel. In duration of vocalization, high unrounded vowels belong to long vowels, and mid-high front unrounded and mid-low front unrounded belongs to short vowel. Next, central vowel. So central vowel made by positioning the tongue in halfway between front vowel and back vowel, and when produce this vowel sound types, it's produced by putting the tongue down and back. According to William Sound, there are two types of central vowel, namely the mid-central unrounded neutral vowel and low-central unrounded vowel. Mid-central unrounded neutrals mean that the lip shapes is not rounded or spread, and this sound belongs to, in duration of vocalization, this sound belongs to short vowel, and low central unrounded vowel also in duration of vocalization it belongs to short vowel. Next, we move to the back vowel. So back vowel are made by raise the back of tongue to the direction of soft palate, and William Sound categorized this type of vowels into 5 categories, namely the high back rounded vowels, mid-high back rounded vowels, mid-back rounded vowels, low back unrounded vowels, and low back rounded vowels. In duration of vocalization, 4 type of back vowel, namely the mid-high rounded vowel, mid-back rounded vowel, low back unrounded vowel, and low back rounded vowel belongs to short vowels, and the high back rounded vowels belongs to long vowel. Next, the complex vowel sound. So William sound illustrate simple complex vowel sound or diphthongs as the combination of two simple vowels, where first we produce the one simple vowel, then change smoothly articulate the second simple vowel. William sound also restricted the second simple vowel into three options, namely mid-high front unrounded E, mid-high back rounded U, and mid-central unrounded E. So first, the formation of diphthong E. There are three diphthongs can be articulated from the combination with second simple vowel E, namely the combination of simple vowel A and the simple vowel E has resulted the diphthongs A, like in the word make, late, and etc. Next, the combination of simple vowel A and the simple vowel E has resulted the diphthongs I, like in the word fine, smile, and etc. Next, the combination of simple vowel O and simple vowel E has resulted the diphthongs OI, like in the word oil, boy, noise, and etc. So next, the formation of U diphthongs. The combination of second simple vowel U has formed two diphthongs, namely the combination between the first simple vowel A and the second simple vowel U has resulted the diphthongs OU, like in the word mouse, house, and etc. And the second is the combination between first simple vowel O and second simple vowel U has resulted the diphthongs OU, like in the word open, note, old, and etc. So the last is the formation of A diphthongs. This combination only can be found in British English. So the combination with second vowel sound A form three diphthongs, namely the merge between first simple vowel E and second simple vowel A form diphthongs ear, like in the word here, near, and etc. And the merge between simple vowel A and second simple vowel A form diphthongs A, like in the word where, square, and etc. And the last, the merge between first simple vowel O and first simple vowel U and second simple vowel A has formed diphthongs UA, like in the word pure, cure, and tour, and etc. I think that's all what I can say. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.